Before we get started, we want to practice the proper motion on your cutting board. So go ahead and grab your chef's knife, holding it in the proper grip. Chef's knives are designed to slice through food. We want to use this rocking motion. Notice that the tip of my knife does not leave the board. You want to use this motion to cut sticks, dices, rounds, diagonals, and to chiffonade. We will practice diagonals and chiffonade during our vegetable section, but cover everything else right now. Recognize that some items are higher off the board, so you're going to start with your knife not like this, but actually off the board. This would be really awkward and not use your knife properly. So go ahead and take this moment to practice the rocking motion for yourself before we move on to the next section.